We are working on my 2005 4th Gen 4runner today. Obviously you guys know that these climate control lights always go out. It's a very common thing. We're going to be replacing them with a kit I got off of Amazon. Basically you just want to pop this out, your little trash tray. There's going to be a little Phillips screw under here. You're just going to want to get that out. Next you just want to get your hands underneath it. So once you get this unattached, basically you just want to unplug that clip. Now you have full access to all the lights in the back. So you have these 3 here, and then you have these 2 down here, 3 up here. Now take a flathead, twist all the bulbs out, and just replace them with the identical ones from the kit. So I don't have it, but some of them have dual climate controls. So you'll actually have 2 bulbs on the center one on the left here and one on the right. But since mine's not dual, I just have this one right here. Alright, it is officially nighttime. I'm gonna plug it in and see how it goes. She is as good as new. Obviously not as bright as the radio, but at least I can see my mileage now. Before I couldn't even see my miles, so definitely worthwhile to get this done.